my name is Kat and I am the Liquor Fairy. In this video, I'm going to show you guys how to make the People's Margarita using the Teremana Tequila. The Teremana Tequila is Dwayne "The Rock" Johnson's tequila, and it is hands down one of my favorite tequilas to use for any sort of tequila mixed drink. For this drink, you're going to need the Blanco Tequila, Agave Nectar, pineapple juice, and lime juice. To start off, pour 2 ounces of the Teremana Tequila into your shaker. Then add 3/4 ounces of the Agave Nectar into your shaker. Now the recipe I saw added 1/2 ounce of the pineapple juice, however I'm going to add 1 ounce because it was very strong with just 1/2 ounce of the pineapple juice. If you want it stronger, go ahead and add 1/2 ounce, but I'm going to add a full ounce just for my taste buds. Then for the last ingredients, add 1/2 ounce of the lime juice to the mix as well. Add some ice to your shaker, then just shake it up. And now just strain your mixture into your glass with crushed ice. And there you have it, the People's Margarita made with Teremana Tequila. If you want to try out this recipe, go ahead and like this video. Or if you want to see more easy cocktail recipes, go ahead and subscribe. Now chug.